Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a quick but epic journey through the history of human space exploration. Let's blast off. It all started on October 4, 1957. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the world's first artificial satellite. This little metal sphere, beeping its way around Earth, officially kicked off the space race and changed the world forever. Just a few years later, in 1961, another Soviet hero, Yuri Gagarin, became the first human to journey into outer space. He completed one orbit of Earth, proving that humans could survive and function in a zero-gravity environment. This was a monumental step forward for humanity. Then came the moment that captivated the entire planet. On July 20, 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 mission landed on the Moon. Neil Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe as he became the first person to walk on the lunar surface. The 1980s brought us a new era of space travel with the introduction of the Space Shuttle in 1981. This reusable spacecraft made space access more routine, deploying satellites and conducting groundbreaking science experiments for 3 decades. In 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched, giving us breathtaking images of distant galaxies and nebulae. It's like having a giant eye in the sky, completely revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. Today, collaboration is key. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a testament to global cooperation, with astronauts from different countries living and working together in orbit. And what's next? All eyes are on Mars. Missions are already in the works to send rovers and, eventually, humans to the Red Planet. The dream of becoming an interplanetary species is closer than ever. From a tiny beeping satellite to plans for Mars colonies, our journey to the stars has been incredible. What part of space history fascinates you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more space adventures.